This is one of those moments where you accidentally find a piece of software and your brain short circuits because there's no way this should actually exist yet. And yet, here we are. Let me guess how your video creation usually goes. You sit down motivated, you open your laptop, you stare at a blank screen, you start editing, you hate your voice, you hate the pacing, the captions are off, and the visuals don't hit. 2 hours later, you've got one video and you're not even excited to post it. And you have a mild existential crisis. Meanwhile, you're watching other people post 3 times a day like they have a secret cloning machine. And they do. And it's called VidRush AI. I'll tell you how expensive this program is because it's not cheap. I'm not exaggerating when I say this software feels almost illegal. VidRush AI takes the most painful, time-consuming parts of video creation and just removes them. Ideas covered, structure done. The flow, it's handled. The speed, it's honestly ridiculous. And you can have it done in about 15 minutes. And I'll say it again, I can't believe this software actually exists. But hang on, you're not going to be able to get into it quite yet because, yep, as of right now, there's a waiting list. That's right, there's a waiting list because it's going to be that big. So here's what really blew my mind. You don't start with a blank screen anymore, you start with momentum. VidRush AI helps you go from idea to video-ready content in minutes, not hours. It understands pacing, it understands attention, it understands how people actually consume content right now. And here's the wild part. It doesn't feel robotic and fake like some other video generation programs. This isn't the stiff, awkward, yeah, AI definitely wrote and produced this type of vibe. This feels like something a very caffeinated content strategist built at 2 o'clock in the morning after obsessing over what makes people stop scrolling. So why does this matter? Right now, attention is everything. If you're a creator, a coach, a business owner, or anyone trying to grow anything online, video is no longer an option. But burnout? Yep. Burnout is very real, and VidRush AI doesn't just save time, it saves mental energy. It lets you show up consistently without feeling like content creation is draining your soul. I've seen people use this to finally create short-form content, long-form content, and promos, all ideas they've been sitting on for months. The same person, same brain, way better output. So here's a channel called Rocktier that my friend is exclusively using VidRush AI. And the quality of these videos will blow your mind. Let me show you one of these things.
The ethos of rock and roll often embodies, among other things, rebellion, danger, and pushing boundaries. But some moments in rock history went far beyond the music itself. Like if you're ready to dive into rock's is it still referenced decades later in documentaries, books, and cultural discussions? And depending on who you ask, and decades later in 2010, immediately and persists to this day.
I mean, this is network production style right here. My friend is just in that groove and he's rocking and rolling with these videos. These videos are 17 to 20 minutes long. Insane. How it does everything. It does the videos, it does the images, it does the overlays, it does the captions, it does the transition, it does the effects. So if you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. If you've ever said, I could grow faster, if I could just make some more videos, VidRush AI might be the unfair advantage that you've been missing. So check it out, see if it's open. If it's not open, join that waiting list and see what happens. And don't be surprised if your first reaction is the same as mine. So the moment you've been waiting for, the cost of this, it's not cheap. It costs close to $300 per month. That's right. But for the quality that it produces, you'll have to make that determination if it's worth it for you. Check out the software, and if you haven't already done so, hit that like and subscribe button to my channel. Here at Dynamic AI Tech, we find the best free or highly discounted AI generation programs. This is not one of those discounted programs, not yet, but we know how expensive costs can get. So anyway, I will hopefully see you all on the next video.